What's this?
A microphone.
Do I have to have it on me?
Yeah. All right. Hey guys, it's us. Oh wait, this is not my vacation outfit.
No, it's not.
It's not that kind of video. Welcome back. Today, we want to go on vacation, but we're broke. We have no money to go on vacation. You guys tired of hearing how much we're broke yet? Like and subscribe. So we got this snack crate. It's Hawaii. So we are in our Hawaii outfits. If you notice, he has flamingos on here. I wonder who bought that for him. Picked it up himself. All right. We've had this for like a week now. Let's get into it. Welcome to this month's snacking adventure. So this was the box you can get for $1, but I didn't sign up for too many, so I think it was only $10. So it's the smaller version, and I think we're getting another box too, but I don't know where it's from, or I don't remember. So let's go on vacation to Hawaii. Ooh. All right, so fun facts. Oh, I love fun facts. Snakes are outlawed in Hawaii, including all methods of transport. Ooh, that's nice to know. I like that. Snakes are outlawed in Hawaii.
Oh, perfect.
But did they trap, or was there ever any snakes because it's an island?
I don't know.
Blonde girl. Surfing was invented in Hawaii. Hawaii is the state fish, is the,
Oh.
Try to say that.
It's the reef triggerfish.
Try and say it in the Hawaiian form.
No.
No. Hamu nuka apa'a.
You've guessed a fancy dancy name that doesn't know when to stop. Your tongue will do the hula and your brain will go pop. When you say sing a lang the longest name you ever saw. Give it a try. If you start in April, you'll be done in July.
The people of Hawaii consume most spam per cap. The people of Hawaii consume the most spam per capita in the U.S. That does not surprise me. Oh, and that says what we're getting. Oh, that just says what we're getting. Or what could be in here. Snack crate. Oh, it's a sticker. That's fun. Let's put it on your motorcycle.
Well.
Every time I get a sticker, I'm like, let's just put it on Ty's motorcycle. Oh, I have a Minnie Mouse sticker for you.
God.
All right. Okay. I was kind of hoping that there would be a drink in here, but I think that's for the bigger boxes. I've had these before. These are things we've had before. Hawaiian-style kettle chips. Let's just dig into something we know. What do you think of these Hawaiian chips? Isn't the purple one normally a spicier?
I think so.
Cheers. Oh, this one's a little sweet and spicy.
Flavor's good. I don't like crunchy chips.
Really? I love the crunchy chips. Makes it more exciting. I wonder if it's really loud to you guys. I'm really excited for pineapple candy. So far away. Okay, so we have candies. Oh no. We have 4 plum candies, which look...
Oh.
Which one do you want to try next?
We have
some...
5 plum candies.
We have 4 pineapple candies, though.
All right.
Okay. We're getting ahead of ourselves. We're not doing this right. We haven't seen anything else. Hawaiian cookie candy bread.
It could be good.
It could be, or it could be... Do you like shortbread? Like shortbread cookies?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
It depends on the cookie. But typically I'll eat them. They kind of look like the Girl Scout cookie toffee shortbread ones.
Yeah.
But sometimes they're too dry for me.
I like cookies.
Oh, yeah.
All of them.
I already know the answer, but are you very picky?
No.
No.
I don't think so.
No, you're definitely not picky, but like, you try sushi, right? So we can make a video like going out to a built sushi place.
I would try one.
But like one of like different types.
One.
Of different types. Like one, not even a roll, because the roll is like 6. Just one little piece of multiple.
One little piece of sushi.
Oh yeah, we have our little pineapples that we're drinking out of because it's vacation. Woo! No work tomorrow. It's a Wednesday. There's always work tomorrow. Oh, they're definitely short ready.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not great.
No. I think that it's a lot sweeter than most shortbread.
Yeah.
It reminds me of a particular like holiday. Sorry. Reminds me.
I totally thought that said candy bread.
Oh, it does say candy bread.
No, it says candy bead.
Oh, I said bread. Well, it's candy bead. But tastes like candy bread. I don't know why I had that in my mouth. I didn't want to finish it. Kona Crunch. Chocolate macadamia nuts with Rice Crisp.
You gotta try it.
It's fine. I don't hate macadamia nuts. I'm just not a big nut person. I mean, peanuts are fine, but any other, like I hate almonds. I hate almonds. They're nasty. These kind of look like Rice Krispie or Rice Krispie treats meets Reese's peanut butter cups.
But totally not as good as Reese's.
But it smells good. From Hawaiian Sun. But you know what I do like? Rice Crisps. You don't even taste the macadamia nut.
Those are pretty good.
I like it. I'll let you finish that later. All right, now. Get social with us for your snack experience. Oh, share your snack experience. Wow, it's a day. Definitely a day. I'm going to try these two last. These two are mine.
Are you ready?
No. So, as you guys know, I love flamingos. Another thing I love is pineapples. I mean, we have pineapple things everywhere.
No, I just pointed at him.
Oh,
and
that.
one. I just pointed at both of them.
Oh, in that box, I used to have a piece of paper, and it was the pineapple stand tall, wear your crown, and be sweet on the inside or something like that. It smells so good. Are you more of a chocolatey person or a fruity person?
Chocolate.
I already know. I'm more of a fruity.
It touched my tongue.
Gross.
And we ate them opposite.
Together we have one!
Oh no! Oh no!
Mine now, bitch. That's good. don't move up. Asia Trans Rainbow Belts. Is it Airheads that have the... No. What's the rainbow one? I think it's Airheads. So this looks like the rainbow ropes, just with spicy shit on it.
Oh, it's spicy?
I don't know, but it looks like Mexican candy or something. Like this. I think that this is too, but we're not there yet. Do you like spicy stuff on your candy?
No.
Neither do I. What is that?
I thought you were going to hit me or yourself. I felt it either way.
It doesn't smell bad. Or maybe it's like a papaya something on it. It's probably just a...
Smells good.
Yeah. It's a product of Spain. Why is it in my Hawaii box?
Pretty good. I'll eat the rest of those.
I'll eat one. They're definitely different. Hold, please. Welcome back from that brief intermission. For you, it was like nothing, because editing. We had a visitor, so we took some time to spend some time with her. Words. And we actually only have one other thing to try. It looks like a...
Oh.
So it looks... It's a hard candy. And... Sorry, that's probably really annoying. Can I see your phone again?
Yeah.
Looks like a brain.
It looks disgusting.
So it kind of looks like if this was a Mexican candy, it looks like it would be the spicy center of like a woody type. I don't even know. But because this one wasn't spicy and it looked like it, I'm wondering if this one is just like a sour sweet flavor.
I don't know. Why does it have...
I don't know. It's not in English other than plum candy. It kind of just looks like a bug.
Not suitable for children under 6.
Sorry, baby, can't have it.
Do not swallow the core of the plum.
Oh, it's a plum core. It's a plum pit.
Ew.
What do you mean, ew?
That's gross.
It's not. It's like eating a plum.
Product of Taiwan.
Again, in our Hawaii box. What was this? Was this even a... Made in Hawaii, all right. Made in Washington. Made in Washington, where we live in Washington. And then Hawaii. So 2 of our Hawaii things are actually from Hawaii. Okay.
I'm not gonna eat this whole thing.
I'm not either. Do you flip it over to get the flavor of the pit?
Yeah, it's gross.
The outside isn't bad, but ugh.
That's gross. Hi, bike.
Good idea. All right, babe. So the rest are yours. Fuck off! No, those are mine.
Got it.
The baby.
Got it.
Oh, there's 2 here. Do you want one? All right, that's it. What was your favorite one?
the Kona Crunch.
That one wasn't bad.
These things are pretty good too.
I'll say that the pineapples were my favorite.
Yeah.
I'm just not a big chocolatey person. I do love me some barbecue chips though. So you can have these. And candy bread. All right.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.
Hungry? Koala poopa.